How can my gas furnace save me money? Gas furnaces can potentially save you money in several ways. Efficiency. Newer gas furnaces are often more energy efficient than older models. High-efficiency furnaces have annual fuel utilization efficiency (AFUE) ratings of 90% or higher, meaning they convert at least 90% of the fuel into heat. This increased efficiency can lead to lower energy bills compared to older, less efficient models. Lower fuel costs. In many areas, natural gas is less expensive than electricity, propane, or heating oil. Using a gas furnace can result in lower monthly heating costs compared to electric heating alternatives. Zoned heating. Gas furnaces can be integrated with zoned heating systems, allowing you to heat specific areas of your home as needed. This can result in energy savings by avoiding heating unused spaces. Smart thermostats. Pairing your gas furnace with a programmable or smart thermostat allows for better control over your heating system. You can schedule temperature adjustments based on your daily routine and remotely control the thermostat from your smartphone, optimizing energy usage and potentially reducing heating costs. Long-term savings. While gas furnaces may have higher upfront costs compared to electric heating systems, they often have lower long-term operational costs due to lower fuel prices and potentially lower maintenance costs. Maintenance. Proper maintenance of your gas furnace can ensure it operates efficiently, reducing energy consumption and potentially saving you money on utility bills. Regular maintenance, including cleaning, inspections, and replacing filters, can also extend the lifespan of the furnace, avoiding costly repairs or premature replacements. Energy efficiency incentives. Depending on your location, you may be eligible for rebates, tax credits, or other incentives for upgrading to a high-efficiency gas furnace. These incentives can offset the initial cost of the furnace and contribute to long-term savings. It's important to consider factors such as the efficiency of your current furnace, fuel prices in your area, and the cost of installing a new gas furnace when evaluating potential savings. Consulting with a heating professional can provide personalized insights into the potential cost savings of upgrading to a gas furnace based on your specific circumstances.